Best way to make money online, number 2. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to make commissions like this without paying for any ads by using high-ticket affiliate marketing. It's really quite simple. I create free YouTube videos, tutorial-based content, talking head, and I teach people strategies about making money online. But the problem where most people get stuck, and I was stuck here for 6 months, I didn't make a single dollar, right? And it wasn't until I found the program that changed everything for me. So if you want to see that program, here it is. It's called Legendary Marketer. And to get started, you just click this link on my TikTok bio right here, and then you click the program that makes me $1,000 commissions button right here. And that's how you can get access for just $7. But if you want to learn more, check out this video right here where I show you how I'm able to make commissions like this on YouTube without monetization enabled, and how you can partner with me and I can show you how to do everything step by step. See you over there.